Hey guys, welcome to a new German lesson. This is Markus and today we are going to speak about different pronunciations for the vowel O, for the O letter, okay, and for the Ö letter. So first of all, the O, okay. So we use in German the letter O for O, for the sound O, but also for the sound O, okay. So an example would be, for example, der Ofen, the oven, but also there's the word offen, which is written with a double F, and it means open, cooler. So just remember, we use it for both sounds, O and O. As such, there is no big rule. Most of the time you just have to learn how to pronounce the O sound in this particular word that you are learning. Here in this situation we have for often we have a double consonant after it. This double consonant usually makes the vowel short which comes before it, and here in this situation it also makes the O to become an O sound, okay. So here it actually follows the rule. Most of the time you just have to learn it, okay. Similarly, it's also with the Ö sound. So Ö can be Ö, but also okay. And for example, the plural of Ofen would be Öfen, die Öfen. Okay, so we say closed Ö, Öfen, die Öfen. But there's also and so often means open. But if we say to open, that's öffnen, öffnen. That's actually like an urgent, like in the English word urgent. That's the same sound. Also here it follows the same rule. There's a double consonant, makes the vowel before short, and that's why here in this situation it becomes an Most of the time you just need to learn it, like I said. Just a little hint, if you want to produce the Ö sound, it's you can practice it by making an E sound, E, and then forming the lips like O. Okay, so you stay like E, Ö, Ö, E, Ö. And at the same time, it's also important that you don't produce the sound here from your nose and so on, but it comes from the chest. You have to sound like a bear, okay? So then it's Ö, Ö. Okay, just keep practicing these sounds, okay? So if you like the video, subscribe, like it, hit the bell button, comment about any additional content you want us to cover about the German language or Germany in general. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.